Today, I'm going to show you how you can create these simple, easy AI videos using Gemini Omni. If you don't know, Gemini Omni has been released recently and it is absolutely mind-blowing. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create these trending AI videos. Now, if you don't know, you've never seen this kind of videos before, I'm here to put you on what's actually happening in the world of AI. These videos are going super viral on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube Shorts, and it is super easy for you to create videos like this. Now, this tutorial, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, and also this framework would work for any type of video. So if you're trying to create realistic type of videos, you're trying to create whatever it is you're trying to create, the storyboard to video style of videos, it works perfectly well using Gemini Omni. So I'm just going to get right into the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to have a kind of story that you want to talk about. So if you don't have a story, don't worry about it. All you have to do is go over to Gemini. Now, I like using Gemini for everything I do because I don't have to jump from different tools to another. Most people will tell you to use ChatGPT and do maybe come up with the script and the rest, but I like to use Gemini because I like Gemini to have all the context of what I'm trying to create. So I went to Gemini and I said I want to create a storyboard 3D AI video of a pretty 3D girl or lady with pink hair in a very beautiful outdoor scenery. Now you want to describe your scene, then you want to describe whatever you want in the scene, and then you want to describe what your story would be like. That's what the character will be doing in the scene, and if there are other characters, all of that, you want to just describe all of that here, and then you're going to ask Gemini, give me a prompt for the storyboard's image for all of the scenes, as well as a prompt that will be used with the storyboard image to generate the video. Now, this is important. Now, what I'm trying to do here is, once I have my scene, Gemini will come up with a story for me for the scenes. It is going to generate an image of a storyboard. Now, what if you don't know what the storyboard is? The storyboard is when you have different scenes or images of scenes put together side by side. So you can have up to 10, you can have 5, any number, 20, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. So once Gemini does that, it's going to give me a prompt for me to generate the storyboard scene, and then a prompt for me to use with the storyboard scene to generate the actual video or the different scenes in actual video. Now, Gemini gave me the prompt here. You can see the prompt here. So I just copied this prompt and I repasted it into Gemini for it to give me the scene. Now, this is some of the scenes that Gemini gave me. This is the scene. So this is the image. Let me just click on it. This is the image. This is another image. Now, after you've gotten the image, Gemini has given me the image, and he gave me, if you notice here, he gave me a prompt for the video. So all I have to do is now download this image. So I'll download this image and then I'll copy this prompt here for the video generation. Now, once I copy the prompt, I'll go over to Google Flow. So once you're on Google Flow, you have yours might not be like this because you might not have any content here. All you have to do is to log in, create a new folder, and then come here and just click on this plus here, because we are doing image to video, we are not doing text to video. So once you click on this prompt, it's going to ask you upload media. You can click here to upload media. Just click on it, then I can just select any media that I want and I'll upload it. So once I've uploaded the media, it will be attached to the prompt. Then all you have to do is paste in the prompt that Gemini gave you to generate the video. Now, once you've pasted the prompt, all you have to do is click on this icon here, and then you have to switch to video. So for this tutorial, I'm doing a portrait kind of video, so like vertical, not horizontal. So I'm not doing a YouTube video, so I'll be choosing 9:16. Now, note, don't choose it here because this is for image generation. All you have to do is to come here to video generation and click it here 9:16 and choose one, because you don't want to use all your credits to generate just one different scenes of a single video, because that's going to burn through your credits. So once I click that, I'll just click on save, and then once you click on save, all you have to do is click on this arrow, and then it will ask you if you want to proceed or if you approve, and then you click on yes. So once you click yes, it's going to generate a video for you. Super easy. Now, this video works perfectly well for short videos. So it works for like videos from like 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 15 seconds, because you want to keep it short so people will watch it over and over again, and it's going to, because your watch time is going to affect how well the social media promotes your video. So if your watch time is not good, your video is going to die off. But if your watch time is actually, your video length is actually very short, most times people watch it through to the end. So that's going to help your watch time. So once you've done that, you have a video, all you have to do is just click here to download. You can just click on download and then you have your video downloaded. If you like what I actually did here, I downloaded that, I generated the video and downloaded the first one, and then I went back to ChatGPT and I said, ChatGPT to generate me another different scene with the same characters, but in the same area or the same scene, but doing different activities. So it will be like a continuation of the video. So if you want to be posting that kind of video or that same character for a long time, then this is what you're going to do. You're just going to tell Gemini to generate more scenes of that character doing different activities. You're just going to do that, and it's going to generate another image of the character doing something different, just like that. And you have to just repeat the process, go over to Google Flow, and then generate another video, and then so on and so forth.
My view is always breathtaking. I can't stop painting night and day. Hard work makes the food taste better. Hiya! Let's go! Look what I made for you.
And that was the day the magic windmills started to fly.
That's super easy. That's how it is to generate this kind of videos. It is super easy using Gemini Omni. I'm going to be showing you also how you're going to start making money with Gemini Omni if you want to go the UGC route. So I'll be dropping that video soon. So just like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my further videos. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.